Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Wise app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Wise application on your device and then tap on the Get Started button. You will now see the Login button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter your credentials. If you signed up using your Google, your Facebook or Apple account, you can tap on the respective buttons at the bottom section. Otherwise, enter your email address within the email address box that you used to sign up while creating your account. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password section and now tap on the login button and you will be logged in to your Wise account right away. In case you have forgotten your credentials, you can tap on the trouble logging in option and you will find the options to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Wise app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.